self-said apparatus from BS further development. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is polytropin. RG contents, introduction, occurrence, types, mechanism of action, chemical composition, properties, uses, side effects, precautions. Introduction. Polytropin FSH is a heterodimeric glycoprotein hormone produced by the anterior pituitary and is released into the blood is under the control of the hypothalamic hormone, gonadotropin-releasing hormone (GnRH). This hormone functions to regulate the production of germ cells, a process called gametogenesis. A hormone made in the pituitary gland in female, it acts on the ovaries to make the follicles and egg grows. In males, it acts on the testes to make sperm, also called follicle stimulating hormone and FSH. For example, in female, FSH stimulates granular cell proliferation and enterical follicle development in the ovary cells that are critical and to produce high quality octari maturation and oogenesis and eventual ovulation of the octari into the oviduct where it can be fertilized by spermatozoa and male gamete. Natural thing. It is natural release in the human body. It is formed in the anterior pituitary gland and then released into the blood. It is controlled by the gonadotropin releasing hormone. Polytropin injection type. There are two types of polytropin injections: polytropin alpha injection and polytropin beta injection. First of all, polytropin alpha injections. Polytropin alpha injection is a hormone identical to a follicle stimulating hormones produced by the pituitary. Polytropic alpha injection is used to fertilize medicine to develop eggs in women who have not been able to become pregnant because of problem in evolution. Also, many women wanting to become pregnant will use this medicine while enrolled in a fertility program called Assisted Reproductive Technology (ART). ART using procedures such as vitro fertilizations, AVF, or embryo transfer. Repeat. Polytropin alpha may be used with other medicines of those purposes. Polytropin helps to develop eggs in our ovaries. Polytropin alpha injection is used to fertilize medicine to develop eggs in women which have not been able to become pregnant because of problem in ovulation. And polytropin beta injections. Polytropin beta injections is used to treat and fertilize in both men and women. But polytropin beta will have 12 eggs in women will have not been able to have pregnant because of problems with ovulation. Some women will use this medicine while enrolled in a fertility program called Assisted Reproductive Technology (ART). ART uses procedures such as in vitro fertilizations, AVF, and embryo transfer. Polytropin beta is used together with human chronic gonadotropin HCG in these procedures. This medicine is a man-made hormone called follicle stimulating hormone. FS is produced in the body by the pituitary gland. FS helps to develop eggs in the ovaries of women and sperm in the testes of men. Difference between polytropin alpha and beta. A more recent study showed there may be a slight clinical difference with the alpha form trending towards a higher pregnancy rate and the beta form tending towards a lower pregnancy rate but significantly higher Victoria A2 levels. The mechanism of action. Polytropin is recombinant from a endogenous follicle stimulated hormones (FSH). FSH behind to a follicle stimulated hormone receptor with a G coupled transmembrane receptors. Binding of the FSH receptor seen to induce phosphorylation and activation of the p30K and APT signalling pathway, which is known as regulate many other metabolic and basic survival regeneration functions in cells. Chemical compositions. Biological classification protein-based findings. This is polytropin in a human follicle stimulating hormone FS division of recombinant DNA origin, which consists of two non-covalently linked, non-identical glycoprotein designs at a alpha and beta subunits. The alpha and beta subunits have 92 and 111 amino acids. Protein chemical formula and protein average weight is 2267.2.9 D the data. Protein structure. Properties. Absorption. Absorptions. The bioavailability is approximately 66 to 76%. Time the time to peak after and subsequent injections in high healthy volunteers was 8 to 60 hours in females and 11 to 20 hours in males. Volume mass distribution is 8 L is the volume to represent the volume. Growth of eliminations via liver and kidney. Half-life, circulation half-life of 3 to 4 hours. Elimination half-life of 35 to 40 hours. Uses. First of all, this medication consists FSH is used for treat fertility problem in women and men. In women, women having been diagnosed with primary ovarian failure, it is used in combination with human chronic gonadotropin SCGs to assist in ovulation and fertility. Fertility alpha helps to maintain healthy ovaries to produce eggs. This medication is also used in combination with healthy hormones to bring about the growth and of a mature egg ovulation. In men, in men with hypogonadotrophic hypogonadism, it is used to induce spermatogenesis. Philotropin may also used to cause the ovary to produce several follicles, which can then be harvested from using gemin intrafollicular transfer gift in our intro fertilization IVF. In man, this medication helps to remove healthy testes and produce sperm. It is also used to combination with SCG. This medication is not to accommodate for women whose ovaries no longer make eggs properly, primary ovary failure, or for men whose testes no longer displays intimate sperms properly, primary testicular failure. This is the side effects. Side effects, first of all, this is headache, um, my stomach, abdominal pain, bloating, redness, pain in injection site, breeze from the vagina, which is swelling of the ankles, hands, feet, shortness of breath, rapid. If any of those effects less lost or get lost, tell your doctor and follow this program. Precaution. Before using these medications, tell your doctor and pharmacist to your medical history, especially of their fertility problems such as primary ovary failure, or testicular failure, abnormal bleeding from the uterus, thyroid problem, adrenal gland problems, cancer of the reproductive organs such as breast, uterus, ovaries, testes, tumor in the brain such as pituitary tumor, ovaries, fistula, large ovaries, blood clots, strokes, attain heart diseases such as heart attack, lung spasm, such as asthma. Check with the doctor right away if you have a blue lips, fingernail, skin, coughing difficulty, or fast breathing, fever, rapid heartbeat, tiredness in the chest or the breathing in the precaution. Thank you.